Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So students, it is a part third. In this video we will gonna discuss about types of series. Yes, three types of series are there: individual series, frequency series and continuous series. Okay, first we will discuss what is individual series. It is also called series without frequency. Second, frequency series or series without frequency. In individual series without frequency and frequency series it is with frequency. That's why its name is frequency series. Two type, it's further having two type: discrete series and frequency distribution. Okay, first we will discuss about individual series. Individual series where items are listed singling, where the single items are there and we have to arrange them whether in ascending order or descending order. Example, roll number marks were written. First we have to make it in serial number. Example, I have arrange them in ascending order. Okay, you can arrange them in descending order also. That is known as individual series. Discrete series, in this series in which we will data are presented in exact measurement like this 20, 25, 28 marks. Frequency, how many students got 25 marks? 3. How many students got 20 marks? 1. How many students got 28 marks? 5. Then I have measure them in I present them in tally bars. 1 2 3 1 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 we represent like this. Okay, and frequency distribution, item can't we measure them exactly how many they are. How? Okay, example, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Okay, these are known as class intervals. How much student 5 to 10 marks, how much student got? Must maybe 4. Okay, then I have present them in a tally bars. Okay, now types of frequency distribution: exclusive, inclusive, open end series, cumulative series and mid value. First we will gonna start about exclusive series is this. Okay, example, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. In exclusive series, uh, I first have to discuss about upper limit and lower limit. Okay guys, upper limit and lower limit, these are known as class intervals, students. Okay, okay, this is called upper limit, this is called lower limit. Okay, that's known as exclusive series. Example, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. This lower limit must be the upper limit of the next class interval. Student, this is known as class interval. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Okay, in exclusive series the lower limit, previous class intervals lower limit become the upper limit of the नेक्स्ट क्लास मीन्स जो पिछला जो था नंबर वो नेक्स्ट का बिगनिंग होता है, पिछले का एंडिंग, नेक्स्ट का बिगनिंग. नेक्स्ट इंक्लूसिव सीरीज, यस, इन दिस देयर इज सम, these are not equal class intervals, means its lower limit and its higher limits are not same like this one. Okay, 10 10, it's 9, it's 10. First we will always make inclusive series into exclusive series. We must change inclusive series into exclusive series as written. Upper limit of class interval, lower limit of class interval. Okay, we have to minus it, means 10 minus 9, what comes? 1, and divide by them is 2. Answer is 0.5. Okay, this is the rule. You have to minus the upper limit minus upper limit minus lower limit, divide by 2, and this is our answer. Now what we do next? Okay, 0.5, 9.5. How does it comes? When we got the answer, we have to minus it from this term and 0.5 add to the next term. Okay, 5 minus 0.5, answer is this. Okay, what is the answer we get? We have to minus this from this 5 and add to the 9. Likewise, in next, minus 0.5 in minus 0.5 from 10 and add add 0.5 to 14. This what we get. This is the procedure how we can change inclusive series to exclusive series. Okay, difference were written over there. Counting can be done in all cases. Yes, in exclusive we can do counting easily, but in this we can't do counting because there is difference between the number, lower limit and higher limit. Likewise here 10 10 are same. Okay, but in this, here is 9, here is 10, here is 15 15 same, here is 14 and 15. Okay, so this is the types of series. Now I will tell you open-ended series, cumulative frequency series and mid-value frequency series. Open-ended series is here a series in which lower limit of the first class interval and upper limit of the last class interval is missing. Yes, here no standing and ending point are written. Here below 5 and 10 and above is written. In this series, lower limit of first means this one is, here number is missing, and upper limits in this also number is missing. That is known as open end series, because in that series we haven't we in this we haven't understand what is opening and what is ending, what is beginning, what is ending is missing. Cumulative frequency series, yes, in this the data is presented less than 5, less than 10, or more than 5 or more than 10. Frequency is, we will write against these number. Mid value frequency, in this mid value we have to find out. This is the formula of finding out the mid value. Example, 5, if 5 to 10 is written as class interval. Okay, 5 plus 10 equal to 15, 15 divided by 2, what we got? That is known as mid value. Okay, 7.5, that is our mid value. Okay student, hope you understand this topic. Thanks everyone.